Hey, this is Mike Hagan with Nikonians. I'm here to talk to you about two things with respect to the Markins ball heads. The first is the difference between the QR and the QL quick releases, and then the second is the dimension differences between the two top plates that we sell. Well, let's start off with the QR versus the QL. The QR is the rotational quick release, and this is a screw that when you mount your camera's plate here onto the top of the tripod, you'll need to screw it down in order to lock it into place. The other method that we sell is the QR, which stands for the quick release, the QL, which stands for the quick release lever. And the QL works just by flipping this lever just like that. It's much faster, much more efficient. Some people like the lever because of the speed. Other people like the quick release screw because of the security. It's a personal preference. It's up to you. Well, the next thing I want to show the difference on are the top plates. We have two different top plates. One is the QR48 and the other is the QR60. Now the QR48 here, shown in this one, as you can see, is actually much shorter. It's actually 48 millimeters from top to bottom, whereas the QR60 is actually 60 millimeters from top to bottom. So why the difference? Why do we have two different sizes? Well, for the people who have the longer lenses, let's say like this one, the Nikon 200 to 400 millimeter f4, you're going to want to buy the longer QR60. That longer surface area really helps stability and overall strength, mounting strength for the ball head. If you have a smaller camera, or if you're using smaller lenses, so let's say for example like this, I'm using a Nikon D800 with a smaller lens on it, a little 50 millimeter. In that case we'll use the QR48 since we don't really need the size and strength like that. This QR48 also works with camera and lens combinations like the D800 with the 24 to 70 f2.8 or even with the 14 to 24 f2.8. So there you have the differences between the QR and the QL as well as the QR48 and the QR60.